Hey there! Are you looking for easy and practical ways to earn money online in 2025? Whether you're a student trying to graduate debt-free, a stay-at-home parent looking for some extra cash, or just someone who wants to be their own boss, the internet has opened up countless opportunities for people to make money from the comfort of their own home. And guess what? You don't need to be a tech genius or have a ton of experience to get started. In this video, we're going to explore 5 easy ways you can start earning money online today. Alright, let's kick things off with freelancing. It's like the ultimate side hustle. Freelancing is popular and flexible because you're your own boss. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, web development, or voiceover work, you can offer your services online. Think of it like your own online talent show. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients. Choose projects that interest you, set your own rates, and work from anywhere. Imagine working from a beach in Bali or a cafe in Paris. More businesses are hiring freelancers, giving you more opportunities. The demand for skilled professionals is huge. Create a profile, show off your skills, and start applying for jobs. Be patient. Once you get positive reviews, opportunities will explode. You get paid for doing what you're already good at. Next up, let's talk about affiliate marketing, my personal favorite. It's like being a digital salesperson, but way cooler. Basically, you're earning money by promoting products or services you genuinely love. Imagine getting paid to talk about things you're already passionate about. How does it work? Well, when you become an affiliate for a company, they give you a special link. Kind of like your secret code. You share this link on your website, social media, or even with your friends. Now, when someone buys that product using your link, bam! You earn a commission. It's like getting a thank you gift for recommending something awesome. In 2025, affiliate marketing has become even bigger, especially on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. People are scrolling through their feeds. They see something they like that you recommended. Boom! Sale! If you have a blog or a decent social media following, this can be a perfect way to monetize your content and actually get paid for the time you spend online. To get started, you need to sign up for affiliate programs. Think of these programs like clubs for affiliate marketers. Some popular ones are Amazon Associates, perfect if you love recommending books, gadgets, or pretty much anything. Share a Sale and Rakuten Marketing. Once you're in, start promoting products that make sense for your audience. If you're into fitness, for example, you can promote workout gear, healthy snacks, or those cool fitness trackers everyone's using. If you love tech, you can recommend gadgets, software, the latest phones. The possibilities are endless. The more people click your links and buy, the more money you make. It's a simple and passive way to generate income over time. Imagine waking up to find out you made money while you were sleeping. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Chapter 3. Online courses and coaching. Share your knowledge, bank the cash. Alright, are you ready for this one? Another incredible way to earn money online in 2025 is by creating and selling online courses. You know that feeling when you teach someone something new and they're like, wow, you should be a teacher? Well, guess what? You can be. Do you have expertise in a certain area? Maybe you're amazing at cooking, photography, playing a musical instrument, or even something like digital marketing. Whatever your skill, there are people out there who are dying to learn from you. By creating a course, you can package your knowledge into bite-sized videos, downloadable worksheets, and maybe even some quizzes to make it fun, and then sell it online. It's like your own digital classroom. The demand for online learning is higher than ever, and it's only going to keep growing. People are busy. They want to learn new skills from the comfort of their homes, and they're willing to pay for it. By creating a course, you're not only earning money up front, but you're also creating a source of passive income. That's right. Once your course is live, people can buy it anytime, anywhere in the world. This means you keep earning even when you're not actively working. Think about it. You could be on vacation, sipping a smoothie on the beach, and still be making money. Now, where do you sell these awesome courses? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare are like the online universities for courses like yours. They help you create, market, and sell your course to a global audience. So, what are you waiting for? Start brainstorming those course ideas and get ready to share your knowledge with the world. Chapter 4. Dropshipping and e-commerce. Be your own boss without the inventory. This is for all the entrepreneurs out there. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own online business, but didn't want to deal with storing inventory, packing boxes, and shipping orders, Then dropshipping is your new best friend. It's like having your own online store without any of the physical products taking over your living room. In a dropshipping business, you sell products through an online store, but the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You never have to touch a single box. You're the middleman, connecting customers with products and making a profit. To get started, set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make this easy. They give you all the tools you need. Next, find awesome products to sell. Websites like Oberlo and AliExpress are great for finding suppliers. When someone buys from your store, the supplier handles the rest. Focus on marketing, finding customers, and providing amazing customer service. With dropshipping, the sky's the limit. You can sell anything from trendy clothing to cool gadgets and home decor. Be your own boss, set your own hours, and build a business you're passionate about, all from home. Chapter 5. Content creation. Turn your passion into profit. Content creation is one of the most exciting ways to earn money online in 2025. Share your passions with the world and get paid for it. Whether you're into YouTube, TikTok, podcasts, or blogging, or even streaming on Twitch, content creation can become a full-time income stream. The key is consistency and creativity. Stand out from the crowd. Build an audience and earn money in many ways. Earn ad revenue from YouTube, partner with brands, create merchandise, or use Patreon for direct support. Focus on content that adds value, entertains, or educates. There's an audience out there for you. Building a loyal audience takes time and passion. Turn your passion into a profitable career. So there you have it. 5 easy ways to earn money online in 2025. Whether you're freelancing, promoting products as an affiliate, teaching courses, starting a dropshipping business, or creating content, the opportunities are endless. The key is to find something that matches your skills and interests, and just go for it. Remember, the online world is full of possibilities, and with the right mindset, you can turn your passion into profit. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your online income grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on earning money online. Good luck.